Wij zijn klant vanaf het begin.
We've been a customer since Indaver first started. We used to be one of Indaver's shareholders, so we've been an Indaver customer since the 80s and 90s. We have around 250 different waste streams, of which the most complex are delivered by Indaver.
Wij zijn klant van het eerste uur.
We have been a customer from the word go. I think we collaborated with Indaver for the first time in the late 80s, and it has continued ever since. Initially, as Karin said, it was more about finding a solution for the waste. But our relationship has increasingly become a kind of partnership for sharing ideas, and of course, there is a much greater focus on recycling now.
Wat het mooie is van het Indaver-verhaal is dat we op die 30 jaar...
The great thing about Indaver is that over the last 30 years, they've moved on from waste treatment to a company that is facilitating the circular economy. A circular economy in which there is still a place for plastics, because these are also raw materials that can be reused in a new circular economy. That represents an exciting future for Indaver and for the Flanders chemical industry as a whole.
Over de pipeline aan ideeën.
There is a pipeline to ideas. In every phase of development, from the early research stages to industrial upscaling, Indaver always has plenty of great ideas.
Afvalverwerking is voor een farmaceutisch bedrijf toch wel belangrijk.
For a pharmaceutical company, it is very important for waste treatment to be carried out conscientiously. We want our waste to have first-class treatment after it leaves our site. We're susceptible to product counterfeiting. We want a solution that is sound in terms of energy use, with a high percentage of recycling, etc. Indaver fulfills these requirements.
Het is echt wel een wederzijds werken met elkaar.
It is really a two-way collaboration. It can't be one-sided because then it really wouldn't work. This approach is to be found in all layers of our organisation. Also in the production units of our company. We find it important to take ownership of our waste management, and we need Indaver for that.
Ik ben hier binnengekomen, meteen ook ontvangen geweest door...
When I walked in, I was immediately welcomed by my key account manager without ever having to ask for that. And that is the feeling I get every time I come into contact with Indaver, that it is an open environment that is constantly present and you can always enter into an open discussion. I think that in business it's very important to build up a relationship with a company. We've also been an Indaver customer since the very beginning. Initially, we worked with a number of different waste collection treatment firms. And in 2010, we switched over to Indaver as a total waste management handler to our complete satisfaction, evidently because we are already on our third 3-year total waste management package. The organisation is amazingly professional.